Is this Port Douglas area's best kept secret? Newell Beach, just 25 minutes north of Port Douglas. That's the Devil's Thumb in the background there. And this is Newell Beach. Absolutely beautiful day. Rural in feel, and yet the ocean is just 150, 200 metres away. Beachside position, and the entire property is securely and very privately fenced. Dual living possibility with both upstairs and downstairs having full kitchens. Wide verandas overlooking the rural setting and spacious interiors. Just one of the bedrooms. This one very large downstairs. Gorgeous gardens and room for a swimming pool. Newell Beach, perhaps Port Douglas's best kept secret location. For more information or to arrange a private inspection, contact me, Keithea Schaedler, on 0438 488 488. Cote Property, Port Douglas.